Hello everyone, this is Adam speaking from BigTuna.io. This is a video on my experience of using PCBWay.com as my primary PCB maker as well as the PCB assembly provider. I've been using them for more than 3 years now. And here I will be providing my thoughts as well as pros and cons of their service, as well as things that you should do when using their service. So here is a little background. I initially started off using OSH Park many years ago because I love the fact that they had this iconic purple PCB, which I really liked. Um, you will see on the internet a lot, and you can instantly notice OSH Park. And also, I love the fact that they were actually very close to my home. So back then, I was living in Vancouver, British Columbia, in Canada, and I believe OSH Park was and still is situated somewhere in Washington State. Correct me, I'm wrong, but I believe they were near Seattle or maybe Oregon. So that I liked a lot. However, when the time came to scale from say 3 to 5 PCBs to 100 to 200 PCBs, the budget became issue. It was costing too much for me to get everything made from OSH Park. So that's when I began looking for other services, looking for cheaper options, but not necessarily looking for service providers in China per se. But I realized majority of the big services that does this kind of stuff is situated in China, and that makes sense because I'm pretty sure like more than 90% of electronics in the world is being made in China at the moment. But that becomes a bit of concern because how do you know you are dealing with a legit, trustworthy, hardworking company in China? So that's when I was getting a lot of suggestions even back then for PCBWay.com. I was getting endorsed, recommended to try out PCBWay.com through forums and personal reviews. Honestly, you wouldn't really figure out how good of a service is until you try it. So I took my money, I paid for a few PCBs as a test run. That was the beginning of my relationship, and it's been more than 3 years, I think, and I'm pretty happy with it. So about PCBWay.com, the top 5 facts I learned about PCBWay.com through the years. Number one, obviously they are based in China. Well, why is that important? Well, I'll get back to you on this later. Number two, they are very active on social media as well as forums where makers hang out. It's really cool how they actually respond to your inquiries and concerns and your thoughts that you express these medium. You will never get like copy and paste answers. Well, maybe they do copy and paste marketing from time to time, but from my experience, they actually are genuine people behind their Twitter handle and forum usernames. So that's a very good sign. So number three, they're a one-stop shop that uses quality components as far as I can tell. Getting PCB made through a company is one thing, but getting it assembled is another thing. But getting all your parts sourced through the same company, a very scary idea. However, as far as I can tell, they use quality components, at least not the knockoffs or fake stuff. So that is good. And I think it's really important because I bought a bunch of stuff through eBay from Chinese sellers. All these passive, active components over the years, and good chunk of them were, the components that didn't pass the QC or outright fakes. I had op-amps that blew up in front of my face, and it turned out to be a fake part. So this fact is pretty important, at least to me. No hidden fees. So what you pay is what you see in the estimation or invoice. So you go to their website, you upload your design, You wait for their response, which usually takes only a few hours. And that's all you gotta pay. They never actually ask for more money, after the fact. So that is also a good sign. They're not out to scam you. Okay, number 5, quality. Here I am talking about the quality of the PCB itself. I haven't had a chance to compare the exact same PCB made by both OSH Park and PCBWay.com, but when I look at the finishing, when I look at the accuracy of the PCBs from PCBWay.com, I am very happy with it. In fact, there are some PCBs that I made through PCBWay.com, and I just love looking at it. I don't even put case on it, so the PCB alone is pretty good. And one last fact, I think I said it's the top 5. So let's move on to my top 5 likes. Number 1, the efficiency. They're based in China, and during their business hours, you will get extremely prompt response via emails and chat. Daphne, I don't know if she's real or if she's just, a bot behind person's photo, but she's always prompt. I use my emails 100% for the communication, and at times I exchange 70 plus emails on a single issue or order. And they were always professional and efficient. Number 2, their DHL shipping. I think DHL shipping is the only option at a reasonable cost. So their shipping takes literally 2 days to show up at your door in the USA. The cost is calculated based on weight and volume, I believe. And for example, I think I paid about $84 US dollars for an order of 200 assembled PCBs that are about size of a large cell phone. So, for the price, I think the shipping rate is pretty good. And above anything, it's very fast. 2 days. It's like Amazon Prime fast. Number 3, when things go wrong, they are out to help you out. So things go wrong all the time. Like, things go wrong. Sometimes do not populate parts could show up soldered. You may have found an error last minute in your design, after submitting your design and paying for it, that is. But let me tell you, they will literally go talk to engineers on the shop floor and find things out and send you back videos and photos and let you know how exactly things are going. So I was actually pretty impressed to the point that I teared up a little bit at one point. Number 4, this is an extension to the previous point where they go above and beyond to help you out. They actually tested every single board at no extra cost. As a hobby electronics maker, money is always the issue. And if something goes wrong, say for whatever reason your design doesn't work, you already put say $200-$300 to prototype this thing and paid extra $30, $40, $100 on shipping alone. That is scary. Granted, there's no way to tell if they actually did what they said they did, but judging by their videos and photos that I received from them, at least they ran the test on some portion of the order. So, this is a huge relief for a hobbyist like me, where if there is a problem, they can immediately fix it right then and there. There's no back and forth of this gigantic shipment flying across the ocean. And number 5, communication. I think I've touched on this subject, but I cannot stress this enough, how responsive they are. Not only responsive, they actually read your emails, concerns, and they address it. Now the bad part, the top 5 dislikes. I try to come up with a list, but you know what? To be honest, maybe I'm just an extremely optimistic and positive guy, but I couldn't come up with a single dislike, let alone a list. Yeah, what can I say? I think they're doing something right. Yeah, let's move on to my top 5 recommendations for using PCBWay.com. check your BOM schematics and special requests one more time. Make it as easy as for them to understand what you want them to do. If you have anything special that doesn't get addressed via schematics and your Gerbers. So if you want something to be DMP, do not just simply label DMP on the schematic. Remove the whole line item from BOM. Number 2, break down your process. Go slow. That's what I mean, I think. Don't ask them to print and assemble 200 PCBs at once. Ask them to print the PCBs first, and then ask them to assemble only 3 out of the 200. And ask them to either test it out on your behalf at their factory, or better yet, ask them to ship it to you so you can manually inspect every aspect of the board. And if everything checks out, you can give them a green light to assemble the rest of 197 PCBs. So that way you minimize the risk of having flawed assembled PCBs in your hands. Number 3, check the calendar for the Chinese national holidays. I wasn't aware that Thanksgiving holidays were like a week long. It could throw your schedule off, especially if you didn't expect it. So expect to get delayed during the Thanksgiving holidays, which is I believe is in October. So look ahead, plan ahead, and make sure you leave enough buffer room in your schedule. That way there's no surprises. And number 4, don't be shy to ask for things. Don't be shy to ask for clarification. As long as you're being polite, as long as you're being reasonable, they will be prompt and courteous. They will help you out. So don't be shy to ask. Asking for clarification, definitely cheaper than asking for redoing the entire order for a simple mistake. Okay, I thought I wrote down 5 recommendations, but I only have 4. So this is it for my recommendations on using PCBWay.com. Okay, so if this video was helpful at all to you, please like and subscribe, and consider using my referral code commented down below. That will actually help me continue pioneering on my journey of electronics.